Showed videos before where I just pull the pins out of the top and then use a 10mm to take out 4 bolts. Take that off, took the grill off. This right here has a screw here, and then if you use a long extension you can reach down here, get this one. Both of them are 10mm. This has a little thing that you have to lift this flap, put your hand in there, and push down or push up on the white tab that releases this. This pulls out, this undoes, and then when you get the bulb out, because you got to take this back off, this back has screws that are 5/16. It's a really weird shape. 5/16 is the bolt size or the nut size for these that has the cover. This is the cover. It says everywhere, don't touch this with your hands. Touch it as little as possible with your hands. Use gloves. I took it off. I was able to zoom in on this. This is a 9012 for the low beam. That's what I need to replace. I don't care so much about the high beam. I don't use it much. But the low beam, this is just burnout. Now, Walmart, of all places, had it. These are $36 a piece. These are the 9012, and then it's got this other number, this H1R2. That's also it, and it's got the same pattern. So I need to put on gloves, plug this in, plug it up and see if it works before I attach everything. So let's do that. All right, for my 2013 Dodge Ram, I have Projector style halogen lights. And this is 2025, so the lights are 13 years old and I need to replace them. So far so good. I've got it plugged in and I was able to push it in. The peg sizes on each side are different and it fit in perfectly and twisted. So that gives me a good positive feeling. So now let's plug this in and make sure it works. All right, this one's plugged in. Brand new light, everything's working. And see, this is just a little bit dimmer. Oh Lord, you get down where the light is, that is blinding compared to that, which is okay. It's okay. We're gonna call that a win. Now I just gotta do the other one. All right, we are in business with 2 new Sylvania. The brand I went with, Silver Star Ultra 91.2 H1 R2. This is their ultra bright, the brightest down road. So yeah, that should be fixed. I'm just gonna put the grill on and the dust cover on, and then we're done. All right, all buttoned back up. I'll come out here tonight and shoot some video of it with the lights on.